Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami sword. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it and fold it to the middle crease. Press it well. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Repeat the steps from the other side too and press them well. Open it now, fold it according to the creases and press it well from both the sides. Now turn it and fold it to the middle crease and press well. Now from the sides, press it. Open the folds, turn it. Now mark them from all the sides. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. And it's done. Now fold it inwards according to the creases. Alright, it's done. Now, according to the crease, fold it upwards. Now again. Like this. Fold it from one side and then the other. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Alright, now form the shape of the sword like this. Now repeat this step from the other side too. Fold it and press it like this. And yeah, a rough structure has been formed. Turn it and fold it from the sides and press well. Fold it again. Again downwards and press it. Fold it like this, forming a small triangle according to the folds from one side. and then the other. Now form the shape of the extensions from one side and then the other, folding it inwards. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.